All right, what's up? It's Luke with Tailgating Challenge, and of course, we love a good tailgate. And so today, we're checking out the 2022 Nissan Frontier, but we're not doing the full review like you see with some of it, where we get into the engine and everything else. We are truly focused on the tailgate and how fun and how good it would be for your tailgating adventures. So let's check out some of the things on the back end of this new Frontier pickup truck. So first off, if you hit this right here, you can see the lights come on. So we have lights in the bed, which is pretty cool. And so on here too, it has the dampened drop down, so it doesn't just slam down. And so with that, when you put it back up, assisted. So super simple. I have an older pickup truck and just like boom, boom. This has very nice and easy. It's not remote control. You can't open it with the remote control, but it's real simple with your hands. It also has a lock right here. So come on in here, you'll see the lock. So you can lock your tailgate up, and it has the reverse camera in the back as well too. So let's pop this down one more time. So we took this thing out to the tailgate the other day for some hockey tailgating. And so it was pretty awesome. Like we got our gear in here, like the bed on the surface, it didn't look quite as big as what I thought, but like we had some big stuff and it all fit in there perfectly for us, and it was super fun. The truck looks great too, because people come in, they're like, is that the new Nissan? Is that the new Nissan? And I'm like, yeah, it's the new Nissan. And so people had it, like, they love it, they want to talk about it. It's a cool looking truck. This one's fully loaded. It comes in at like $48,000, just to give a little bit of perspective on there. We got the spray-in bed liner. We got the rail system for carrying stuff too on here. So overall, it's pretty cool. We also have a footstep here for easier access to the bed. So you push right here, and it comes down. Now you get to the bed just a little bit easier. So back here too, we actually have a charging station, so that if you need to actually charge some of your tailgate goodies, come on in here, you can see it right here. So right here, you see you can actually plug up, so you can like power your tailgate, which is a win too. As one, I didn't even notice it at first, but it is in there. So it is something that you can have to help power your tailgate up. So again, I am Luke with Tailgating Challenge, and we're gonna continue to test trucks and focus on their tailgate so we can find some of the best trucks to have the most fun at your tailgating. So if you want to set off on the new Tailgating Frontier, 2022 Nissan Frontier, check it out.